I know these look like lightsabers, but it's actually a corner light. You know, if you go to a website like Amazon and you search for RGB floor light or RGB corner light, you get a bunch of them, and they all look to be the exact same unit, but they're all by different companies, and you're not really sure which one to pick up. So, which one did I get? Well, I got this from MuJoy, and before we move on, I do want to say this was actually sent to me by the company, but this is not a paid or sponsored video. Nevertheless, I'm very intrigued by this whole setup. It's got 2 wands that come out of the base, and it just sits in your corner. And based off of the marketing that they sent me, obviously it would look better if you had 2 on either side of your television or your couch or wherever that you want to put this. Very similarly to all the other ones, this is Wi-Fi enabled. You have music mode, you've got multicolor, warm, cool, white light, segmented colors, and it's app controlled. So if you want to use your phone on iOS or Google, you'd be able to do that. And it also works with ADOT. Don't know what ADOT is, but it works with it. So we've got on this side, power. This is the controller. So if you'd rather manually control instead of using an app or control it over Wi-Fi. How do I? I can do this. I'm an adult. Okay. All right, this is the base. And this, whew, that's not going anywhere. Oh, I do need a screwdriver. Okay. I should have 8 pieces. I only see 4 pieces. So maybe there's another, oh, there is another layer. So as I'm building this, I will let you folks know, this is pretty solid metal. Is this even gonna, can I put this, can I do this with this on here? Hold on, oh no, oh no. We're gonna rearrange, give me a second. Okay, so we got resituated, we're good. Sorry about that. You can actually readjust these, right? So it's not just a single, like 2 up and down. You can have them go this way, or both tilt to the right, or tilt to the left. I think they're like 15 degrees. Is that flush? That's pretty flush. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! I have it set to music. It's listening to what I am saying to pulsate to what I am saying. And then also I can just have it set to the different colors and different presets. So it just changes accordingly. And then of course, you can get this all set up with your Stream Deck. And you can have your Stream Deck set it up where you have a little bit of control, probably just like off and on. Or you can do that with Google Home or Alexa, however you like it. But I will just say this is very, very unique. And we've seen the corner lights in a lot of people's streams, and there's obviously nothing wrong with that whatsoever. But if you want something that's a little bit different, a little bit out of the ordinary, this is really, really cool. And I think for the price it's at right now, at least at the time of recording this video, it's not too bad. And there's actually a $10 off coupon, which again, I have nothing to do with. That's just on Amazon right now. So go check that out right now if you'd like. If you want to check this out, you know, the link is in the description. That is an affiliate link, but I think this is going to be really, really cool and a really interesting setup for everything that we have here in the Lazy Studios. So if you have any questions or comments about this, about streaming, about whatever, let us know in the comment section down below. Links as always can be found in the description below. And as I mentioned, we do stream on Twitch. We're getting up there on TikTok. We're on Instagram and Twitter. And so until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Oh, hi, Kenji. Later.